third type of search engine optimization is called technical SEO. Technical SEO is the optimization which takes place behind the scene, which helps search engines to crawl, understand, and rank your website effectively. If on page SEO is about content and keywords, technical SEO is about infrastructure that makes your website fast, accessible, and easy for search engines to understand. Without effective technical SEO, even the great content cannot be ranked on search engine result pages. Technical SEO ensures your website is crawlable, indexable, fast, secure, and structured, so search engines can understand it very well. Its main types include crawling, indexing, site structure, speed optimization, which is very important, mobile optimization, because like 60 to 70% of your audience would be using the mobile and searching on mobile devices, so it's very important that your website is optimized for mobile users. Last but not least, structure of your website and the security, which is the most important element of technical SEO. So in short, technical SEO focuses on improving technical foundation of your website so search engine can crawl your pages efficiently, index the right content, understand your site structure, deliver your pages quickly, so the uploading time should be very fast, provide a good user experience, because even few seconds delay, I would say 2 or 3 seconds delay of uploading of your web pages or your content uh, easily can easily frustrate your user, and they can bounce back and leave your site entirely. So I would say technical SEO is the backbone of search engine optimization. Without it, rankings definitely suffer, no matter how good your content is. So there are a number of elements to be considered in technical SEO. Number one, I would say, is a site map that shows all your website URLs, all the links, so the search engines can easily crawl all the links you have provided and understand that and index that easily. Second is schema markup, which enhance your website features. There is an example which you can see carefully and find the difference that how much schema markup can help in technical SEO. Another number three, I would say, is website speed, page loading time. I already mentioned that how important it is, so that factor must be considered at the top of the list. Number four is site structure, which is very important. That is the way your site is structured, which helps search engines and users actually to use it effectively. Number six, I would say, is canonical tags. Canonical tags actually help the search engines to find out which content is original and which is a duplicate content. So it is very helpful to have canonical tags. So that avoids the duplicate content, and the search engine can crawl and index your web pages easily and effectively. Number 7 in technical SEO is report.txt file, which is basically permission for search engines to crawl pages, and they also put restrictions for search engines to allow or disallow page crawling and indexing, because some of the website pages, some of the content on your website is very confidential, like your admin pages or information about customers and the transaction. So you wouldn't like any search engines to crawl those pages, so you can use these report.txt files to restrict the search engines not to crawl or index those pages or content. Then is mobile friendliness. Number 8, I would say. I already mentioned that how important it is nowadays, because most of your audience is searching on their mobile devices. So your website or web pages should be mobile friendly. Number 9, and the most important element of technical SEO is hypertext transfer protocol security, HTTPS, which provides the security of your web pages, which all the search engines strongly recommend that, and probably without the security certificate they wouldn't even crawl, index, or rank your web pages. Number 10, in the end, I would say core web vitals. They are user-centric metrics which measure real-time user experience for loading performance, interactivity, and visual stability. Core web vitals include LCP, which is largest contentful paint, which measures loading performance, which should be under 2 seconds, which is recommended. Then is INP, interaction to next paint, which measures interactivity and responsiveness when user clicks or take action on your web page. So your website, it should be very interactive and very responsive. Number 3 is the CLS, cumulative layout shift, which actually measures the visual stability of your web page or website. In the end, it's worth mentioning website rendering in technical SEO. This is going to be quite technical, but I can briefly explain you that. Website rendering is the process of turning website code like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript into the visual page you see on the screen. It's how a browser or a search engine builds and displays a web page. When you visit a web page, technically, what happens is your browser downloads the page code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and font, and etc. Number 2 is HTML is passed. The browser reads the structure of the page. CSS is applied next. Style, color, layout, fonts are added, and then JavaScript runs. Interactive elements load like menus, sliders, and forms, and etc. And finally, final page is displayed. The browser paints everything on the screen. This is quite technical at this level, but I wanted you to know a little bit about it. It will be very helpful to know these terms when we will do hands-on, when we will start building our website in the workshop later on the sessions. so you would be familiar with these terms theoretically, so it will be very helpful. And I think you would understand better when we'll do the hands-on. um,